What'd you find?
Microwave.
You think? What if it's not? What if it's not a microwave? What are you gonna do? Huh? Pull it open. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. What is it? What is it? Is that it? Pull it. Sorry, I didn't get here on time yesterday, but now you got a nice surprise this morning.
It's Friday. You'll get to play with it tonight.
Yeah. When you come home, you get it. Oh boy, look at that. Nice. It's nice, huh? That looks very nice, little buddy.
Are you excited?
Open it.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Cool.
That's a cool looking one, huh? Look at it's pretty blue.
Oh boy.
2 AA batteries.
Let's see here. Yeah, we just gotta put batteries in it, I guess. Oh boy, what's all that stuff?
Luckily it's the batteries we have.
Oh, a lot of little accessories here that comes with it. Oh wow, your stuff you can cook.
He's so happy.
Got a little pan. The drums with them. That one working good. Cooking. Open it. Got all your little goodies here. A lot of cool things, buddy. You gonna cook something? You go make something and cook it.
Alright, we need to try to get you to eat, if you will. You can look at it.
University.
Give me a haircut, nails toy.
We got Rex. A fire? No stickers, just jelly beans.
Can you open the door? Try. Tight, huh? Can you get it? No? Sometimes it could be hard. Come on, beautiful boy. Come on, beautiful boy. That feels nice out here, really. It's a nice, beautiful morning. This is the most beautiful morning.
Put it.
Where do you want to put it? Huh? He likes that spot.
Hang on.
You wanted it up there. Here, can you put this on? Try, I'll hold these for you. That ear first. Always the left ear first. Right ear. Get good at it, bud. There you go. Nice. Here we go.
Where do I put it?
Where are you gonna put it? I don't know. Where's a good place, do you think? Here, how about this? Come here. Yeah. Maybe right here. Did you find a pretty good spot? Gonna have a good day today, huh, buddy? Fun day Friday.
Thursday.
It is not Thursday. Are you tricking me again? You keep trying to trick me? Huh? You're always trying to trick your dad, don't you?
But my toes kind of hurts.
Does the toy's tummy hurt?
Um,
I think the toy's fine, little bud. Hey, JJ, I got an idea what you can do for me. Can you go grab that trash can? The brown one? And move it back here for me? I'll hold this for you. Get the brown one. Move it back here. Come on, bud. Put it, set it up against the garage door. I'll keep it inside the garage for now. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. There you go. Good boy. What is this thing?
there's a bag.
A bag, yeah.
Black toy bag.
There you go.
Backpack. Backpack.
Oh, backpack. Yeah, that's a backpack. Very smart, bud.
Black toy still.
Yeah, black toys, stay home. Daddy take care of it for you until you get home today. Your black toy will take care of your microwave, okay?
Black toy.
Black toy. Maybe someday black toy might go to school. You hiding? Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Oh, you want it to talk? Ready? Hi, JJ. How are you? Got his pillow, huh? Gotta have the pillow.
Sweetheart. Have a wonderful day, baby.
I'm gonna give him that shit.
Have a great weekend.
Have a good one. Happy boy today.
He's doing so great. By now, at the other school, he probably would have been going berserk every day.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe not, because he's getting older, he's changing.
Yeah. Look at him.
He didn't even get a chance to get through his rough points, you know. But he's doing fantastic. He's still doing good.
happy boy. Happy Friday! Happy Friday! Woohoo! Are you happy? No, it's not through here. Okay, let's go on in, buddy. Go on in, happy Friday. Yeah, happy Friday.
Thursday.